choose the correct orientation for a toilet handle replacement by aligning lever travel with the flapper arm path for smooth operation and preferred ergonomics. Start by identifying whether your flush lever mounts on the right, left, front, or center of the tank, and note the angle of the stock handle relative to the bowl. Remove the old handle and inspect the flapper arm connection, counting how many holes or slots are available on the replacement lever and where the chain or lift wire will attach. For adjustable models such as the Korky Strongarm 6071, explain that the cam or spline allows the handle to face forward, downward, or backward without binding, and you should select the orientation that prevents the chain from rubbing the tank or creating slack. Orient the handle so the lift link remains roughly 1/4 to 1/3 of the way up from the resting flapper position so that the flapper lifts fully with moderate wrist motion and returns positively when released. Trim or reattach the chain or lift wire to allow about 1/4 inch of slack at rest to avoid phantom flushes, yet ensure a full seal after each flush. After installation, cycle the flush 3 to 5 times and observe for any catching interference with the tank lid bolt housings or internal refill tube, then make small orientation or chain adjustments until motion is unobstructed. The most common mistake is over-tightening the handle nut, which warps the mounting boss and binds motion, so back the nut off until the handle feels secure but still moves freely, then retest. Another frequent issue is incorrect chain length, causing either failure to seal or continuous running. Fix this by shortening or lengthening the chain to that 1/4 inch slack and rehooking it on a different hole if your replacement lever offers multiple attachment points. People also forget to check for interference with the tank lid, tank bolts, or internal components. Rotate the handle to alternate orientations offered by the replacement part and confirm full travel without contact, cutting, or bending the lift wire only when absolutely necessary. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us all share experiences so you can find matches based on real project conversations. We host a discussion community where we and other users trade tips, ask questions, and post photos to help you and contractors find the right fit for the job.